Hello everyone, my name is Prerna, one of the member of the team Kridikshit. Earth's orbit has over 54,000 tracked objects and millions of smaller debris pieces. Even at 1 centimeter, an object traveling at 28,000 km per hour can destroy satellite, leading to thousands of daily collision alerts for operators. Therefore, our team is working on building a solution which is AI powered space debris detection and collision avoidance system that predicts collisions early, calculates probabilities, and recommends fuel optimized avoidance maneuvers.
My name is Sonali. Our system predicts satellite debris collision by using orbital mechanics, real-time processing, and AI. First, we collect TLE or two-line element for the active satellites and debris. Then we use SGP4 orbital propagation model to predict their future positions. Then we perform close approach analysis to calculate the distance between the satellite and debris. By using this data, the AI predicts the collision risk levels. Finally, the system provides visualization and real-time alerts to support timely avoidance actions. This modular pipeline ensures early detection, accurate prediction, and enhanced satellite safety.